In this video, we're going to take a look at my passive empire review. So let's get into it right after this. Hey, and welcome to my passive empire review. I'm Ronnie Rokk Smith with USA Digi and RonnieRockSmith.com, and also coined the Rockstar Video Marketer. And if you're into learning about new marketing products and how to make money online and all of that cool stuff, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss a thing. And be sure to stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to be revealing my exclusive bonuses for this particular product. Okay, so let's take a look now at the bonus page here, because this is the first thing I need you to do is to look in the description and go ahead and click that first link, okay? It's going to take you to my bonus page here. Just scroll down on the bonus page and click any one of these brown buttons that say Get Passive Empire Now. And make sure there's time left on the timer when you're watching this video so that you can be sure that you're going to lock in your bonuses inside the back end of Warrior Plus, okay? Once you click these buttons, it's going to take you to the sales page, which is going to look like this, which we're fixing to go over right now. And you just scroll down and click Get Instant Access. That'll take you to the checkout process. Then you can pick up any upgrades after that if you want to. And then once you head to Warrior Plus, you're going to see my blue button in the back end, which I'm going to show you how to find that later on at the end of this video. But let's go ahead now and get into what this is, Passive Empire, and how it can help you. So basically, it's going to show you how to create passive income for yourself 24/7, okay? And you do this in various ways. And we're going to talk about that in the members area. But pretty much it's through affiliate marketing, okay? And she's going to show you how she does that inside of this training course by leveling different types of platforms. So let's go ahead and get into the sales page now. So the sales page reads, Passive Empire within 30 minutes that produce automated income day in and day out with completely free traffic using fail-proof methods, and here's how. So go ahead and watch the VSL right here. She's going to explain what the product's all about, and then you can click this button. But remember, go ahead and click my bonus button first so you can lock in your bonuses. Then you come back here and click that button, all right? So here's some screen earnings that she's made with this particular method that she uses day in and day out. So this product is by Cynthia Benitez and John Newman, okay? So they're launching this product together. And if you know me, I'm going to go ahead and just scroll down to the bottom and check out the bonuses to see what the extra bonuses are to let you guys know what's included there. So if you watch any one of my review videos, you pretty much know that's what I do, right? Check out the screen earnings to see what's going on. Check out some testimonials if there's any on there. And I want to see what the bonuses are, right? Because we all love extra valuable stuff. So let's go ahead and check that out now. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down here. Okay, some more screen earnings. Step 1, 2, 3. So again, guys, go ahead and read everything on this sales page. Like, I'm not going to read that to you. It'd be stupid and boring. But go ahead and do that on your own time. So let's go ahead and check the bonuses now. So you're going to get $1,894 of free bonuses if you act right now. So bonus 1 is how I made $595 with free traffic. Bonus number 2 is List Me. So this is going to be some training on how to build an email list on the cheap. Bonus number 3 is Boss Secrets. This is one of her other previous products. So you're going to learn her affiliate marketing secrets, okay? And we have a 30-day money-back guarantee right here. At the time of making this video, guys, product is $12.95. So the launch is still going on right now. We got 13 hours left on the launch. So if this is something that's interesting to you, go ahead and get it now because you don't want to pay a more expensive price later on, right after the launch. I mean, this is the reason why we do these reviews, so you can get these products at the best possible price if it's something that interests you, right? So if you have any questions, you could scroll down to the bottom here, guys, and there's some frequently asked questions here. Okay, so that's pretty much the sales page. I'm just going to scroll all the way up to the top here. So let's go ahead now and jump into the members area and see what it looks like. So we're inside the Passive Empire members area here, and as you can see, a little write-up about Cynthia here, and we have some modules number 1 through 10. So at the very bottom, you're going to see the bonuses right here that was listed on the sales page, some unannounced bonuses as well. And if you missed any of the upgrades and you want to upgrade at any time, you can get to those right here, okay? And of course, if you need any help with the product or whatnot, you can contact her support desk right here. So up here, let's go over these buttons here. You can subscribe subscribe to her YouTube channel here. You can also subscribe to John's YouTube channel here, and you can join John's Facebook group as well. So let's go through the modules real quick. So you're going to get the welcome video. She's going to welcome you to the course and what it's all about. You got the walkthrough video. You're going to walk you through the members area here. Okay, so for module number 3, she's going to talk about the niches and what that's all about. So it's important whenever you're just getting started with any kind of affiliate marketing that you really designate a specific niche that you're going to be tailored to, okay? And that's very important. She's going to go over all of that stuff in here. Check that video out. Okay, so module number 4 is the offer. So she's going to take you in there, show you where to find good offers to promote and how to find some good ones for you, okay? So that's what that video is all about. So module number 5 is the blog. So she's going to show you how you can use a blog to do affiliate marketing, and that's what she does as well. I do it myself. So it definitely does work, and it can bring you passive income. And that's the beauty of this, guys. You set it up one time, and you can get paid today, as well as 2 or 3 years from now. It doesn't matter. As long as that product is still in existence, you're going to get paid for it. That's another important thing to keep in mind, though. When you're doing affiliate marketing, you want to keep up to date with those products and make sure they're still in existence and it wasn't taken down by that vendor, because you don't want people going to broken links, okay? So you want to keep up with that stuff. All right, so that's important to remember. Okay, number 6 here is the funnel. So she's going to show you how to create a funnel and put all this stuff together. Number 7 here is the review. So she's going to show you how she does review videos and, you know, how she does it on YouTube. And you can also put these on your blog too, guys. So it's best to, whenever you create any kind of video, and if you're afraid of doing things with your face on it, you can do these videos simply, guys, without even putting your face. You could just use your voice, show some PowerPoint slides. It's really easy to do. So like I said, there really is no excuse to do affiliate marketing. If you want to start making money online, you just need to get out of that space of thinking that you can't do it, because you can, okay? If you're scared of video, putting your face on there, a lot of people are. Just do it the other way. Just use PowerPoint slides and talk into a microphone and explain things. It's that easy, okay? So the next module here is evergreen video. Okay, this is module number 8. All right, so the evergreen video, she's going to show you how to, you know, maximize your titles in here to make that video review that you're doing for that product, make it evergreen. In other words, it's going to be pertaining to 2 things instead of just 1, okay? So that's what that's about. And here's a little tip on that. A lot of us marketers in this space, what we do is, I don't do it, but I might start doing it, is they'll do 2 videos, okay? You do a review video on a specific product, and then on the second video, you'll do like just content-based teaching about one thing that's in that product. And then at the end of the video, you'll go ahead and pitch, say, hey, if you're interested in checking more on how to use this thing, here's a product that demonstrates all of this and shows you exactly what to do. And the link's in the description. You know, something like that. So let's check out module 9 here. So this is the result. So go ahead and check out that video. It's only 2 minutes, guys, but she's going to explain pretty much how everything comes together using the passive system method, right? Passive Empire here. Module number 10 is the conclusion video. Go ahead and check that out. And finally, you can get to your bonuses, as I mentioned before, right down here. All right. Okay, so that concludes the members area. Let's go ahead now and take a look at the upsells and see what's included in there. Okay, so we have the front end Passive Empire, which is $12.95 at the time of making this video. OTO number 1 is Passive Empire Advanced. This is $27 with a $17 down sale. So in this one, you're going to get some advanced strategies to explode your results. OTO number 2 is Passive Empire Done For You. So this is $47 with a $37 down sale. And you're going to get the Done For You bonus pages every week for 365 days, guys. So pretty good deal there if you want to pick that up. OTO number 3 is Passive Empire License Rights. So this is $67 with the $47 down sale. And you're going to get the right to sell Passive Empire and throughout the whole funnel and keep 100% of the commissions in this product, okay? And last but not least is OTO 4. It's some coaching. So it's $197. And this will be coaching from Cynthia for 1 full month. And she's going to help you with anything that you need regarding internet marketing. All right, so that's the upsells, guys. If you find any one of these interesting, you think you can use this after you pick up the front end, go ahead and pick it up. And I showed you how to find that in the members area. All right, so let's go ahead now and take a look at my bonuses. All right, remember, guys, go ahead and scroll down, look under the video, make sure there's time left on the timer, and click any one of these Get Passive Empire buttons now. Bonus number 1 is YouTube Cash. This is video training on how to use YouTube effectively for affiliate commissions. So this is exclusive bonuses, guys. You won't find these anywhere else. They're custom created by me. And in a nutshell, what I'm going to show you in here is I'm going to show you how the right way to pitch an affiliate marketing product on YouTube. I'm going to show you what to write in your YouTube description so you get better conversions. I'm going to show you the perfect script to use so that if you want to do, review videos like this one, you'll know what to say and how to say it. And I'm going to show you an over-the-shoulder type of case study where I'm going to show you another guy how he's using his products instead of affiliate products, right? You could do that as well. But it's in a totally different niche than what I do here. So it's pretty interesting and pretty cool. So bonus number 2 is Fiverr. You're going to learn the secrets of making 50 to 100 per day on Fiverr with in-depth video training, okay? This course used to be called the Flash Method, and it's the original course that I launched, was the first course that I launched. And I changed the name recently, like last year, to Fiverrly, okay? Because it makes more sense. It's about Fiverr, right? So it makes more sense than what it was before. So that's what it is, and I'm going to show you how to make money on Fiverr. And who the hell are you to teach us how to make money on Fiverr? Let me show you. I'm not one of those marketers, guys, that launch products and I don't make money with what I'm teaching, okay? I practice what I teach. So let's take a look on Fiverr and see. So here I am on Fiverr still today, guys. I do this on the side. It's not a full-time thing. I do this on the side because it's only a little part of my business. It's actually one of my pillars. And a pillar is just a way that you make money online. So this is just one of those pillars that I use. And it's mainly just pushed on the side. I don't really do it that often. But when people buy from me, I go and do the job and I get off. Here's what's going on right now. So I just got a job 16 hours ago, finished that one. 1 day ago, 1 week ago. So I'm making money on here, guys. If I go to my analytics here, you can see that I'm definitely making money and I'm selling stuff. And it's up to date. So I'm still doing this, all right? So that's why I'm still selling this product right here, because it makes sense. I'm actually teaching you something that I'm actually doing and making money with, okay? So that's what you're going to learn in that product there. Bonus number 3 is the spreading goodwill system. So this is video training with a system you can use to 10x your list building literally overnight, okay? So there's some cool things in here. You're going to be using free traffic. I'm going to show you some ways in here. So it's really cool training, and I think it's going to help you out as well, okay? And bonus number 4 here is Passive Empire. These are the 3 vendor bonuses that were mentioned on the sales page. And here's a little basic recap, guys. Combined, that's $492 of extra value when you order through my link today, all right? So scroll down, go ahead, click the Get Passive Empire Now button. It's going to take you to the sales page over here where you can simply scroll down and check out, right? Okay, make sure there's time left on this timer. All right, so now you might be wondering, how do I find my bonuses? Just scroll down on my bonus page and I'll show you right quick right here, okay? So it says how to find your bonuses in Warrior Plus or JVZoo. Okay, so this product is launched on Warrior Plus. So you're gonna log into your Warrior Plus account. If you don't have one, go ahead and create one at warriorplus.com. Once you pick up this product and then you log into your Warrior Plus account, click on the little drop down arrow here. You're gonna click on purchase history. It's gonna take you to step 2. You're gonna look for Passive Empire, the link. Click on that. It's gonna take you to the 3rd step here where you can access your purchase. And you can get my bonuses by clicking on the blue button here. So there you go. Easy peasy, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me some comments, guys, below on what you think about this product and how maybe you can start using it today. So to get those passive income set up, guys, so you can start earning some income with a lot less work, right? Set it and forget it, right? You set it up one time and it's going to continue bringing you income for as long as that product exists. So it's pretty cool stuff, right? So remember, guys, to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're interested in some free training, check out my description below. There's also some training in there with a webinar, which is some advanced training you may want to check out. So check that out too. And as well, if you like these bonus pages and the way they look, it's by Commission Gorilla. I also have a link in the description there. And if you pick that product up, guys, I'll give you the code to my Commission Gorilla template here that you can use, okay? That way you don't have to start from scratch. You just plug in my code and then you add your own bonuses in there, change up the text and whatever you want, and you're good as golden, okay? So just a little treat for you there for using my link that I wanted to give you that code if you wanted to get that, all right? So that's gonna wrap up my Passive Empire review. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that it helps you make an educated decision on whether you think this product is a good fit for your business. I'm Ronnie Rokk Smith with USA Digi and RonnieRockSmith.com. And guys, happy marketing.